Today I am super excited to bring you the Lark Max, a dual wireless microphone system from Hollyland. And I want to start just by saying thank you to Hollyland for sponsoring this video by sending me the product in exchange for my thoughts. So Hollyland are no stranger when it comes to wireless mic systems. I myself have been using their Lark M1 for most of my videos over the last year, and the Lark Max here is definitely a premium microphone system. So inside the box we have the two transmitters and the single receiver, which has a touch screen on it, and these are housed neatly in the protective charging case, and then the charging case can be housed safely in this hard carrying case. On top of this, Hollyland have also included a bunch of different cables so that this microphone is straight out of the box compatible with a multiple of different devices, including iPhone, Android, computer, cameras, you name it, there is probably a cable here for you. Oh, and the other thing included in the box are these small magnetic clips which allow you to connect the transmitters to, well, anywhere on your clothes really. You are not then limited to the collar. Oh, and just in case it wasn't obvious, the audio for the entire video here is being recorded through the Lark Max, so you are getting a good example as to how things sound. Right, so let's talk first of all about the transmitters, and each of these transmitters have a number of useful features, starting with the fact that there is a port to connect a optional lapel microphone if you prefer to do that. The transmitter then can just hook over a pocket or a belt. There is a power button. There is also a noise cancellation feature here using ENC technology. I will show you how that works right now. It's a simple click of the button. The blue LED will turn green and a lot of background noise then will be filtered out. So here comes that test. Okay, the ENC noise cancellation is now enabled. A lot of that background noise, the cars driving past, the wind brushing through the trees, should be filtered out so that my voice is more prominent. And this feature works even better in noisier environments than what I am in, but even so, a lot of the ambient noise, as you can see, is being filtered out. Right, so I've turned the noise cancellation off again for now. And the other feature for each of these transmitters, this is really good, there is inbuilt recording available, and then you can access that on a computer later on. It will show up as a separate drive for you to copy those audio files, which are in WAV format, over to your computer. No additional software is needed. And that recording functionality will allow 14 hours of audio on the 8 GB of internal storage. And the other great thing about the inbuilt recording is that you don't even need to use the receiver. You can literally pop one of these transmitters out of the charging case, hit that record button, and you are recording. That is all there is to it. And in terms of the battery life, these transmitters on their own will last up to 7 hours. However, with the charging case, that extends to 22 hours. So as long as you have the charging case with you, which, let's be honest, you will, because that's how you carry these around with you, then you've got more than a full day's worth of battery, 2 or 3 days even, before needing to recharge. So now let's talk about the receiver, which is an advanced bit of kit and gives a lot of options at your fingertips. Now it does include a small coloured touchscreen. However, if you don't want to get fingerprints on it, then there are some physical buttons you can use to operate the software as well. One of my favourites is the ability to switch between one of 3 EQ presets. There is the hi-fi preset, which is what I'm using right now, great for general use. The second preset is low cut. Now that's going to be good if you are in an indoor environment and have maybe computer fans or air fans or something that produces a low hum in the background. That will help to filter that out and make your voice more pronounced. And the third is vocal boost, which is going to be perfect for those super noisy environments. Maybe if you are vlogging in a city centre, then you want to check that option out. It will again help emphasise your voice. Also on the receiver, you are able to adjust the microphone gain. There are many volume settings you can go through here to get the right setting for your particular device. There is also the option for auto record. Remember, you can record audio directly onto these transmitters with a click of a button. Well, with auto record, then it will do so automatically all the time, and you can just take off any audio recordings as you need them. Also in the options are the power saver settings. I have everything set to turn off after 15 minutes of not being used, just in case I forget and leave things on. Although of course putting everything in the charging hub will sort that out for me anyway and keep everything nicely topped up. And there is even a headphone port on the receiver, so for example another team member can hear that audio recording live. Right, so to finish up today, I want to do a range test. The Lark Max is rated for up to 250 meters or 820 feet maximum range. That's because it's using the 2.4 gigahertz radio band in order to connect receiver to transmitter. I'm going to take a long walk down here and we'll see if I can still speak to you and how that sounds. So here I am now at about 180 meters. I tell you what, this is far beyond any kind of distance I will ever need when recording with the Lark Max. So I'm not going to push it any further. Hopefully this is still coming through crystal clear to you. I'm going to start walking back. Okay folks, so my concluding thoughts are that the Lark Max is a fantastic dual microphone system. It performs very, very well. The 22-hour battery life is a big plus. The noise cancellation feature is going to come in very useful, especially in more demanding environments than this. The EQ presets, the inbuilt recording feature, and overall just how easy it is to use. So hopefully the video has helped. If you are looking for a more premium wireless mic system, then the Lark Max is definitely worth checking out. Thank you for watching.